How to backup Android phone before rooting. Part 2. How to backup Android before root over USB. Connect your Android to a computer with a USB cable. Choose Media Device or MeTP mode. View your phone in My Computer or this PC. Double-click to access file folders. Right-click to copy and paste files locally. Part 3. How to backup phone data before rooting with Google account. On your Android, go to Settings, Backup and Reset. Enable Backup My Data and Automatic Restore. Add a Google account under Backup Account. In Settings. Select Google. Toggle on the sync buttons for the data types. Part 4. How to backup Android tablet or phone before rooting with Google Photos. Download and open Google Photos on Android. Sign in. Click the top left 3-line button. Go to Settings. Choose Backup and Sync and toggle it to On for syncing photos and videos. Part 5. How to backup Android OS before rooting using SMS Backup Plus. Install SMS Backup Plus on Android. Tap Connect. Choose Gmail. Opt for full backup or skip. If skipped, go to Advanced Settings Backup Settings. Choose Message or Call Types. Tap Backup. SMS call history will be copied to Gmail. Part 6. How to backup Android phone before rooting via Assistant for Android. Want to make a backup of all the content in your Android phone before rooting? Just try Mobikin Assistant for Android Win and Mac. You can complete the backup with a single click. Run the utility on your computer, select USB or Wi-Fi connection. Connect Android. Follow on-screen prompts for device recognition. Choose data types, preview, mark, and click Export to copy selected data to your computer. Alternatively, you can bulk backup your Android data onto your computer. Go to Super Toolkit Backup, mark your wanted data types, browse for a location backup. And this program also enables you to restore your Android device easily. Part 7. How to backup Android before root via Android Backup and Restore. The last method is to use Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. This sleek software also gives you the ability to backup all your Android contacts to your computer anywhere, anytime, covering contacts, messages, call logs, etc. Install the software, connect Android to the computer via USB, and click Backup. Select data types, tap Browse to choose a save folder, click Backup to transfer chosen files from Android to the computer.